Anthony from Hypercuby again. Well, the hat's changed, things like that, but there's been a few more changes too. Some really important things to show you today. One of those is these wheels. You can actually mount these, we can do it for you in fact, to the building. So it's mobile, it's easy to use and so on. What else do we see here? We see, this is genuine Merbau here. Looks great, is great. And the same applies to the decking that we've actually got here. Again, we're talking high quality. So again, it's Merbau decking. We can do that there. Slides in there, fits next to the building. And look, it's going to last a long time. Genuine Merbau, high quality stuff. And that's really what we're going to offer you at Hypercuby. Let's take a bit of a look here inside the building as well. Now, some of the features you're seeing here, they're standard features. You may have seen them before if you've actually seen my previous videos. But look, it's worth talking about again. Here we go. Look, for a start, as we go in, stacker doors. Opening wide like that, so easy to open wide, so easy to get the full width of it like that. Like that. Take a look. So yep, you can leave them closed if you want to, but look how widely they open inside your building. Brilliant stuff. Now, let's take a bit of a look at what we're seeing here. Here is your flooring. Now, this is standard. You look at the flooring here, it's genuine, waterproof, floating floorboards, and it's standard. This is something that is not an extra. You're not paying any extra for it. That's a standard feature. What else is standard? Well, let's take a look here up at this wall's genuine Colorbond. This is genuine Colorbond wall. What's Colorbond? Well, it's 15 years warranty as far as you're concerned. Clips or power points. Same sort of story with that kind of thing. And up here, look, again, we're talking about standard features. Here it is. Here's your power board, clips or power board again. This comes standard. This is not an extra. This walls aren't an extra. The flooring is not an extra. The power points are not an extra. These are all standard features within your building. If we take a bit of a look around here, we're seeing more features that are very common to our buildings, like the light switch here. Again, we're talking good quality. A sliding door. Okay. Maybe you don't need a stacker door, that's okay. Here comes our sliding door. So you've got a choice of doors. Here we have the sliding, we saw the stacker before. We've also got other options here for doors and so on. But let's take a bit of a look as we go around again as well. Let's look around the rest of the sides of our building. This one here is a customised building. We've actually done the colour that the client wanted. Our customer said, this is the colour they wanted. We gave them the colour they wanted. The same applies to the decking that they got. They wanted that, they got that, and so on. But here's something else. Maybe you don't need the type of features that we saw in that building over there. So here we've got standard white frame. That's great, does the job, and it's still just as solid as you saw on the other building. Again, what are we seeing here? Genuine Colorbond again. So again, we're seeing standard features of our buildings. The one we saw before was just, didn't require, for that matter, a pitched roof. This one does have a pitched roof. You might look at it and think it's flat. Occasionally customers do. No, it's not. Because if you get this one here, it's a great outside building, the water will run off. It does the job. Okay? The water's running off. Perfect sort of design here. Let's take a bit of a look as we go around as well with the other features. Just take a bit of a look at the whole thing in total. Just from a distance, it looks great, I think. So as we walk around here, yep, again, we're seeing the wheels again. They're locked, which is great. You can unlock them. You can move the building so easily. As we go around here, yes, again, we're seeing the same colour scheme that we saw before. And we've also taken a bit of a look at how the building gets power going into it. Again, standard features. Here it is here. 15 amp power inlet. If you want 10, that's fine too. Choice of 10 or 15, it's a standard feature. This is not adding anything to the cost of your building. Okay? This is not adding anything to that cost. This again is a standard feature. And look where we are. We're back where we were roughly at the start.